Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide your distance on Tinder. To do that it's very easy. You have just to go to Tinder and after that go and click on profile on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go and click on edit profile, and after that scroll down until you will find those options. Like, those options are only for premium accounts like plus or platinum subscriptions, not for the free ones. And the option that you need to activate is don't show my distance. You have just to click on it like that, and like that Tinder will not show your distance to anyone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next video.